Hey guys, in today's video, we're talking about a recent release from artisan soap maker Noble Otter. The soap is called Logbook. Coming right up. Hey guys, John here. Welcome back to the channel. So we've got this new release from Noble Otter Logbook to talk about today. I've got the shave soap here, as well as the matching aftershave splash. So right away, I need to mention the label work on this guy. I mean, Noble Otter always kills it with the art, and just when you thought it couldn't get any better, Logbook comes out, and even Manoy did Tahiti. Both of those releases from this year have had fantastic label work. The otter is once again dressed up, looking adorable, and there's just something about the colors of the label of Logbook. It's very captivating. We got blues, purples. I mean, part of it's like the rich colors of a sunset. Just stunning, just stunning. Now I know there's those of you out there who don't care about labels or artwork on your soap. You just want to know about the scent or the performance, and that's totally fine. But I had to acknowledge that for those of you who like aesthetics, who pay attention, care about that stuff, there's no way I could pass up mentioning the artwork for Logbook. So clearly there's an aviation theme going on with this release, and I just want to share with you the official write-up for Logbook. The man behind Noble Otter, Cody, works with planes professionally, and this is what he has to say. Anyone who knows me knows how much I love aviation. Logbook is a release that I've wanted to do for a long time. I remember the exact shaving soap and splash I used the day I soloed the first time. I remember because it gave me some confidence. Just being all together and smelling fantastic. I finished the flight after doing 3 touch and goes with a smile ear to ear. I wanted to make Logbook for everyone to give them this subtle confidence. It's a woody fougere that is an easy fragrance to wear, and I think will be loved by the vast majority of people. The official scent notes for Logbook include bergamot, orange, black pepper, nutmeg, cedarwood, patchouli, amber, leather, elemi, and moss. And just in case you want to learn more about Noble Otter, we actually had the pleasure of talking with Cody for Ladder Talk on the podcast, so be sure to check out the link in the description below if you want to find out more about this artisan. Pricing is as follows. Both the soap and the aftershave splash can be had for $20 USD a piece. All right, moving on, let's talk about the scent. So unscrew the top here and take a good deep sniff. All right, so right off the bat, there's something that Cody said in the description that is totally true, and that most people are going to like this scent. This one's really easy to like, inoffensive, and to my nose, I get a woody, citrus, fresh, masculine cologne type scent. In some ways, it reminds me of Creed Aventus or scents like Yves Saint Laurent's Y. I might even categorize this as a blue fragrance, and by blue fragrance, I don't mean aquatic. There's nothing oceanic or salty seawater about this one. By blue fragrance, I mean kind of a very contemporary category that includes Bleu de Chanel, Dior Sauvage, and scents like that. I would say this definitely fits a spot in the Noble Otter lineup. That being said, since I'm really big into fragrance, I really like the scent experience, Logbook doesn't really offer anything super original to my nose. It's something that kind of easily falls in the background and gets lost in the shuffle. So unfortunately, it falls a little flat for me. And just for your reference, my favorite scents from Noble Otter are probably Thé Noir et Vanille and Firefighter. Another thing is this scent is described as a fougere, but I'm not getting too much greenness. The woodiness is definitely there, but I'm not getting anything herbaceous, green, or vetiver-like in this scent. Now, as far as performance in both the soap and the splash, these are top tier. I have no qualms whatsoever. It's very easy to work with. This splash feels great on the face. Fits somewhere at the very top of my A tier to maybe just pushing through, or just barely pushing through to the lower part of the S tier. guys, bottom line, I've used and have a lot of shave soaps, things that smell good and whatnot. This is by no means a bad scent, but just from what I use, what I like to use, I need something that kind of stands out from the crowd a bit more. So those in a nutshell are my impressions of Noble Otter Logbook, but if you've used this one, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. So depending on what kind of wet shaving hobbyist you are, how far down the rabbit hole you are, I hope you find this information helpful. But I do want to thank you guys so much again for tuning into this video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.